Now I'm going to do the exercise 2. First, I need to check my system to see how many bits is my system. Yeah, it is 64-bit operating system, so I'm going to download the 64-bit MySQL server for my computer. So now I will go to the link and then go to this page and download I will download this and go ahead and download this one. I think it's done, and then it's not yet. Now it's done, and then I will open it and go yes, go another yes. I'm going to say yes, and then it's starting to install. And I'm gonna to choose custom here, and then next, and then I'll choose SQL and the most recent one, and the other one is I'm gonna to download the client. So 64 bit, this one, and then I'm gonna to go next. These are two we are going to install, so just go execute. So I'm going to say yes to this one, and then it's going to install the Visual C++. Okay, it's set up, so now close it. And now this check requirements has been done. Now we are going to move the next one to execute, and it's installing. Now it's complete, both of them. I'll go to next, and it's going to ready to configure, and I'm going to next. So this is the network configure. I think this is fine. We are going to do next, and then go to next. I need a root password for it. I'm going to set my password. And then go to next. I'll set the name as MySQL. and then next, and then execute. Now everything is good, and then we are going to do finish, go to next, and then finish. So it is open this window for me now. So I think it's running, but I'll go to check in my service. And I find it is here it's running, so that's good. Now we are gonna to move to next step. Now I'm gonna to go to the workbench to connect to this instance, and it's need the password for the root. I just set up. I can save this in Vault, and there we go. So now I will go to the step 2 to download these two files. Now go to the link. It's loading. Now I'm here and I'm gonna to download it. Save as. Yeah, it's my directory, so I'm gonna just save as a Java file. Then save. And I go back to download the other one. It is this one. Just download, and I'm gonna keep it. So I think we just finished the step 2. Downloaded the two files. Now I'm going to do the step 3 to go to my workbench and create this user. See, and go to my workbench and paste here, and then execute it. Yeah, it's all good. And now I will connect as John. And so now I will connect as John. Go to here, connect it to database, and let's go to local instance MySQL1, and then username is John. And the password. Double check the password. I should just copy it. See, and then come back to here, and then B. Okay. lost the connection. What's going on? Okay, John. Then password 3. Okay. And then okay. Yeah, we are here. So now we are going to do the next step. To create the database and test it. I'm gonna copy, Control C, and then go to here. First, I will going to create the database. It's successfully created, and now we are going to create the table. And then create the table. Yeah, and then we are gonna to insert some values to the table. There we are. Probably should go to white it, and then to see the information stored in the table. Yeah, we got them. So now we finished the step 3 and checked all are working well. And now we are going to change the step 3. So since we installed the MySQL server on local, so we don't need to change this one. So we are going to compile the file, the test2 file, and copy this one. Then to copy C, and then go to command prompt, and I need to go to the correct directory, and then I forgot the name, forgot the directory, so I'm going to copy it, C, and then cd, and there we are. So now I think I need to copy this command again. C, D, E, and it's success. And I go to test2. And V, going to test. It's failed, maybe because I just disconnect my VPN, and now I just connected. So I'll try again. No. And then test it. But it still says access denied. I'll find out more. I just found out that in this file the password is wrong, so I just changed the password to the correct one, to PASS1234, and then I go to command prompt again and run this command, and so it's print out this result from the table. So it runs successfully now. So everything is good now. I think for this file, it's everything. First, it's connected to the server, to the MySQL databases. Use this password and this user ID, and then read from this table and this databases, and it shows of its content in the table. So yeah, that is the exercise 2.